I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win something more, learn something, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Ooh. Hey, hey. Chicago. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans, damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find a love, 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 and love. And listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God intended right to be loved, love, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you want to come on in? Let's scooch on over closer, dear. And sing with me the sound of love, sing it. Whoa, whoa, I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. So well, open up your mind and say like me. Open up your plans, damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, there's no need to complicate. Cause I'm entirely sure this is our fate. I'm yours.